5 steps to running successful Facebook ads. Hi, I'm Nico from Domino Marketing, and today I want to take you through the 5-step process we use to generate successful Facebook ads for ourselves and for our clients. Step 1, prepare a good offer. The offer will be used to generate leads on Facebook and then turning that lead into a paying client. Now, the offer needs to be specific to the niche that you want to target. We call it a BDO, a brain dead offer that's of great value to your client but doesn't necessarily cost you too much. Step 2, set up a Facebook lead form. Now, that's really easy to do. All you need is a Facebook business page. If you don't have one, just create one and populate it with your business information. Then go to publishing tools right here and then set up a Facebook lead form presenting your brain dead offer to your clients. Step 3, create a targeted audience. Now, the type of audience you create will be based on the type of business you've got. In Facebook, you can create an audience that's based on the radius around your business, or you can create an audience that's based on interests of someone online. And then, of course, you can also create an audience that's called a lookalike audience. And what that is an audience based on a specific audience that you give Facebook. For example, if you have a list of buyers, you can upload those buyers into Facebook and ask Facebook to create an audience that has the same behaviors as the buying audience you've already got. This, of course, is your number one choice if you can do that. Step 4, present your offer to your audience. Now, you've already created your Facebook lead form. Now, create an ad in your ads manager using your lead form and then showing your offer to the audience that you've already created. Step 5, most important, but also the most neglected step of lead generation on Facebook. Follow up with your leads. As soon as that lead comes in, pick up the phone them and ask them, have you received the offer that I promised you? That's great to know. When can we make a booking? Or that's great to know. How can I ensure that you take up our offer as soon as possible? And then when they come in to take up their offer, make sure you have an upsell ready to maybe sell them something additional, but also make sure you knock their socks off, that they can go out there and say that they've got great service from this company and they will only recommend them in your industry. So there you have it, the 5 steps to successfully run Facebook ads. Step 1, prepare an offer. Step 2, set up a Facebook lead form. Step 3, create a targeted audience. Step 4, present that great offer to your targeted audience. And step 5, follow up with them and turn that lead into a paying client. Go make some profits.